Hey everyone, it's intro question. Tell about yourself. Hi, I'm Matthew. I'm from Civil Department. I'm from Savita Engineering College. I have done my engineering courses in Savita University, in Savita Engineering College. I have came out of the good marks. I have done SSLC and HSLC with the good marks. I have done my college studies in that field. Civil engineering I'm good at. I have scored a lot. I want to be a civil engineer because I want to achieve more to design. I have learned interpersonal skills and technical skill. I am good in communication. I have done so many projects and achievements I have achieved. I have got so many rewards for projects. I will done my best in this work, and I'm good at sing. I'm good at drawing and painting, and then I'm good in technology. I have done my projects in the technology ways using new softwares. It will be more implemented in the advance. I I will do my projects everything in the smart way, not in order to achieve more. And if you want to live in this world, you have to unique to achieve more in this world. The next, thank you. What do you consider your biggest strength and why? My biggest strength is ability to learn from mistakes, creative thinking, task precision, discipline and determination, analytical thinking, communication skills, dedication and enthusiasm, interpersonal skills and respectfulness, honesty, dream achievements, for etc. It's all my biggest strength in my life. Next question. Why did you choose this stream of engineering? I chose to be an engineer because I thought it could be a lot of fun in engineering. Engineering is the field that solves the most impactful of our problems in the world, like creating cleaning energy or detecting the cancer. As engineer, we are constantly changing the world with inventions and solutions. We are engineers. We are creating the new world because the world is advancing in everything, day to day life. So many inventions are coming in this world. It is more useful for humans, and it is some good values in that. We are creating everything in the new. We are doing a smart work. After 2020, we are the top engineers. We can do anything in this world. Engineers are the best one who can create the world in 2020. After the stream of engineering says that engineers are the world level famous for doing anything good. Engineers are the best one to do good to others in the engineering fields. Next question. Why do you think you are suited to this role? You can do the work and deliver exceptional results. You will fit in beautifully and be a great addition to the team. You possess a combination of skill and experience that make you stand out from the crowd. Hiring you will make him look smart and make his life easier. If you are good in that, you can make your life easier. You cannot do anything with others by begging or borrowing. If you have talents in this field, you can achieve anything in this world. Last question. What is your biggest negativity? My biggest negativity is focusing too much on the details. What I am taking on a project, and then I have to do good work. It's focusing more and more to do my job well. I have hard time to telling to to a go to a project. It have been taking long time for me to do without any help. I have trouble in saying no. If I say to no for anyone, they will not like me. If someone is doing wrong, if I have to say yes, I will not say. I will say no. If you are doing wrong, you are wrong. I will say. I cannot do dishonest to any people because if they want to do something, I will not do. I will say no. And then I get impatient when projects run beyond their deadline because if anybody give work to me, I will have to do the proper time the project and good. I could use more experiences. I sometimes lack confidence because when things go wrong, I feel shy and I'm ashamed and I'm not able to do my work properly because I lack of confidence. And creativity is more in this field, so I have done creativity. Sometimes I missed a lot. Delegating tasks are most tough for me. Even though I finish with the delegation, sometimes I feel sad. Humor is the most negativity. Spontaneously, that means doing better work. Organization, patience, taking too many risks in the projects and in everything are the less. Being too honest is the greatest negativity in life. I have done so many projects. Sometimes I feel sad being too honest because I have if there's someone tells me another one is telling don't do, I will do it. That's all. Thank you.